Students, see page number 27. I am reading new paragraph, revenue for the company. Now listen carefully. The company had become the Diwan. Now in previous paragraph we have studied how the company became Diwan, the chief financial administrator. So after becoming as the Diwan, but it still saw itself primarily, means basically, as a trader. Company became Diwan, but it saw itself as a trader. It wanted a large revenue income, but was unwilling to set up any regular system of assessment and collection. Here assessment means an amount to pay as a tax. Company wanted to collect a large revenue income, money in form of tax collection, but was unwillingly to set up any regular system, but not ready to carry out any particular and regular system for collection of the tax, and we can say for tax collection. The effort was to increase the revenue as much as it could and buy fine cotton and silk cloth as cheaply as possible. Now effort was to increase. Now East India Company, the company, increase its effort for collecting more and more revenue. It could and buy fine cotton. Now company wanted to buy fine cotton as well as the silk cloth, but how cheaply as possible. Within 5 years, the value of goods bought by the company, value of goods bought, B-O-U-G-S-T, bought by whom? By the company. The company which was buying goods. So value of these goods, what happened? Company in Bengal doubled. Now before 1865, the situation was something different. The company had purchased goods in India before 1865. East India Company purchased so many goods. How? By importing gold and silver from Britain. Importing means bring. By bringing in our country gold and silver coins, gold and silver from Britain, and in place of, by giving the gold and silver, now East India Company purchased goods from our traders in India. Now when the company became the now Diwan, so situation changed. Now the revenue collected in Bengal could finance here money which is used and handled. So now the revenue collected in Bengal, so from company became the Diwan of which region? Bengal. So company used the money, which one? Which was collected in form of taxes. So the such money which was used for purchasing goods and whatever other things, in place of giving gold and silver which to our traders. Now the revenue collected in Bengal could finance the purchase of goods for export to send out. Now goods were purchased, and these goods were sent in European market. Now here try to understand how the situations changed. Now this paragraph I am reading. Soon it was clear that the Bengal economy was facing a deep crisis. Crisis means a difficult situation, dangerous situation. Bengal's economy totally collapsed, facing difficult situation. How? Artisans means worker, craftsmen were deserting. Underline deserting. Deserting means go away. Why? So many workers, they left their place. Why? Their villages, they left their villages. Go away villages. Since they were being forced to sell their goods to the company at low prices. Because they were forced to sell their goods at low prices. So they left their places and they went where they wanted. So here the Bengal economy was facing difficult situation, as well as peasants were unable to pay the dues. Peasants, farmers, they were unable to pay taxes, agricultural taxes, whatever, dues that were being demanded from them. Now, peasants were also forced to pay huge taxes. They were also demanded to pay huge taxes, but they were unable because of the economy collapsed. Artisanal production means crafts things was in decline. Artisanal production was in decline. Decline means downward, decrease. Production also decreased. Crafts, whatever the produced by the workers, our Indian workers, now their production also decreased, reduced. And agricultural cultivation showed signs of collapse. Now agricultural production also, that is a totally collapsed. Then in 1770 a terrible famine, underline famine means shortage of food, such a situation created, terrible dangerous situation created. Because of such a famine, 10 million people were 10 million people killed in Bengal in 1770. About 1/3 of population was wiped out, destroyed, killed. So here one of the dangerous situation we can see. Now students, next paragraph we will see in next clip. Thank you very much.